Welcome to the Ritz restaurant. I have with us our lovely seasonal infusion trolley, and today I'll be showing you 3 infusions. For the first one that we already have the Douglas fir pre-cut. All the hot water all the way to the top, and then we'll use our homemade honey and infuse that with some dried vanilla. Do 1 teaspoon, making sure it infuses properly with the Douglas fir. Here is your first infusion. For our second infusion, we'll start with the pineapple. Then we'll have our half a teaspoon of lavender, and then we will finish with a dried vanilla pod. And here we have our second infusion. For our final infusion, we are going to be using star anise, cardamom and cinnamon sticks, and then we'll finish with half a peel of orange. Cardamom is quite a strong flavour, so we'll be making sure we only add 5. Then we'll be using 3 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, and then 3 little slices of orange peel. And then here we have our final infusion. With all of our seasonal infusions, we like to finish with a little theatre style. To enjoy with your infusion, we have some petit fours that contain Grand Marnier, cardamom and star anise. Enjoy!
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love.
Boom, 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 boom.